Welcome to Just Kelly. I'm Kelly. Oh, let me get this ring light up a bit. We probably don't even need it, do we? Let me see. Let me turn this off. Okay. Welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new, come on in. Welcome on in. Everyone's welcome here. This channel is all about diamond painting under the canopy of God. And look what I got. I have a delivery. Let's open it up, shall we? I'm so excited. I've been waiting and checking. I've been checking like, maybe 5-6 times a day, checking the tracking to see where this is. I've been talking about it nonstop. I've been so excited about this. I can't hardly contain myself. It's been over 20 years since, in fact, hang on 1 second. Let me get out. Ouch, who was that? Mango. Okay. Ouch, Mango. Mango's excited too. He's going after my feet. Let me move this just for a second. This is the last time I bought a study Bible. This is the one I've been currently using. Well, I haven't been using a whole lot of it because it's very fine. Anyways, I have lots of keepsakes in it. I have lots of, I have written in this thing and marked it up just like crazy. I mean, it's not, thank you, Felix, for moving. It's not like it's just all over the place. And this is Song of Solomon in here where I had some extra room to do stuff, but you can see page after page after page. I could have added more, but look can you see my notes? Look how small they are. This is when I had eyesight, guys. I can't read these notes. Some of them, oh, look at this. I got this from a secret sister years ago, and I love this rose. It's called New Day. So I put it in Zephaniah 3:14, where it talks about the day of hope. So I will probably try, or I don't know, I might just leave it where it's at because, yeah, this has just been a wonderful, wonderful Bible for me. And I have just gobs and gobs of notes in here and little things that I have kept over the years, artwork from the kids. And so anyways, the printing is rather small. I love it. It's a new application Bible. In fact, it is, let me see, I think it might be the first edition of it. Let's see when this was. Tyndall House. 1988. Wow. 1988. So, I haven't had a new study Bible since 1988. I think it's time to have one. Before this, I had, this was actually my first study Bible. Because before this, I just had King James. I don't know that they had, anyways, I don't know if they had study Bibles or what they had way back then, but now there's all kinds of different study Bibles, bells and whistles and online filaments and all kinds of just jazzy stuff. Now, I do have, my prayer Bible has, a lot of that stuff, has the filament in it, and I just love the filament. It doesn't have as many study notes as I think I would like, but there's other study Bibles that I would like to have to go along with this. Anyways, popping stuff. And let's see, I have, my receipt. Okay, let's start. They had some extra things that I added to, because they were on sale. This is a cute little Holy Bible sticky notes. I just thought it was really cute. Oh, it's just got some flags and a place for your memory verse. And a Bible study notes if you need to add extra. Anyways, I thought that was cute. So yeah, you get quite a few. So there's that. Oh, these are teeny tiny. Online they looked so much bigger. But I got some faith stickers. Actually, it's like I got 3 sets. So let's open up. These are tiny. Well, they were only $1 or $1.99 or something like that. How do these? These are, these have that seal wrap on them. So let me just get in here. Oh, of course, there's a box here, so you know who's in it. Mango is coming in the box. Okay, so this first one is called Faith Stickers. Oh, they're loose. How are these stickers? Oh, they're all the same. Oh, so this is what you get. These are the stickers you get. It's called the Fruit of the Spirit, and then there's several pages of the same thing. I thought they were all going to be different. Oh, but that's okay because I have some exciting news. I am planning, well, this could be a lovely one, fruit of the Spirit, to go for Thanksgiving or whatnot. I am going to be making some gratitude journals. I've been looking and shopping, and so yeah, I'm going to be making some of those, and I think I'm going to add them to a giveaway. Looks like I'm starting to grow again. The summer was I guess people were out and about and having fun, and now people are starting to come. Now, these are cute. These are, That's Faith stickers. Oh, and there's 2 sheets. And I love these. They're you can't see them because they're transparent. But they come, this paper behind them. Let me put that there so you can see them. Aren't those pretty? These I will love using in my new. Let me put these back in. And then we have one more, and I think, I don't know why I thought it was going to be like Chibu, but I was going to get all these, 50 things of stickers. No, but they're nice. They're very, very nice. I'm very happy with them. Okay, let's put those aside. And this one I'm not going to take out because it's just going to be 2 sheets again. And they're both the same. And these just have some, like, calligraphy. So it says love, hope, grace, Jesus. I am wonderfully made. I am blessed. I'm a child of God. I am free. I am forgiven. I am redeemed. Strength, faith, and joy. So, okay. Now, Mr. Mango, I'm going to have to move you. Oh, come here. Oh, you're getting so, look how big he's gotten. Look at this sweet little baby's face. Isn't he? Mwah. Go on down, my love. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Oh, so these are, now you guys, if you've seen my desk, I've got lots and lots of pens, and I'm like a stationery junkie. But these are, I thought they were Sakura, but they're not. I think they're called Stardust, but they're clear. This is clear gel, but it's glitter. And so I got 2 of these in that pack. So that'll be fun. Then, they sent me a catalog. That's nice. Gifts and stuff. That's nice. I'll have fun looking through that. Here, you guys can have the box now. I'll give you that box down there. Here it is. Holy Bible, New Living Translation. Wide margin. Journaling edition. Brown genuine leather. Words of Jesus in red. Single column Bible text. Lay flat. Smith sewn binding. Full color visual overview. And it is thumb indexed. It is in a regular box. I thought it would come in a clamshell box. It has the free filament app. smells so good. Oh, it feels so good. It's by Tyndall. Inside, it's brown, and it's kind. Do you see this little rim right here? That's really good because that's reinforcement in there. But this is a real soft. I don't know what type of paper. But it's it's like maybe a imitation leather like. Oh no, it says genuine leather. It's a thin piece of leather. And then of course we have a big blank page for me to do stuff on and a presentation page. And the presentation page looks just like it does in my little prayer Bible. And then, of course, it has the word is a lamp. Oh, the TV. Hang on. And has the word is a lamp to guide my feet and a light for my path. And it has a wide margin. It's got gold gilding all along the side. And you can see the index there. So no tabs. Of course, I'll probably put tabs up the top for special studies, you know. But one thing about tabs, I mean, in that Bible, I have my tabs. They tend, after years and years, they will rip your page. This was first copyrighted in 2000. Oh, no. Copyrighted 1996. So you mean I could have had this one way back then? I don't think so. I don't ever remember seeing this. But anyways, this one is I guess 2015. It was printed in China. It has your table of contents. So I will highlight those and, you know, put them in the categories. And then it talks about the filament. And a note to the readers. Introduction to the New Living Translation. How it came about. And I've already read this, but I'll read it again. And of course those are, and then it starts the Old Testament, a nice big blank picture for lots of stuff to do on it. And look here, let me just check. It is single column. And the margins have a very faint line. And let me do it in inches. They're about 2.5 or about 6 centimeters. And here it is. Whoops. Lots of room for notes. And can you see this right up by the page number? That's where you put your phone, like take a picture of that. There's like a little triangle just next to the page number, and then that takes you to the page of the Bible that you're reading for all the study notes and references. Now they do have references at the bottom of the page. But the study notes will all be in the filament. So that way it's not too heavy. Of course, the pages are kind of sticking together. Smells wonderful. Let's go to the New Testament. Here we are in Luke. And let me get one that has lots of Jesus words on it. So you can see we have Jesus words in red. I love that. Oh, in the back, what's this? Old Testament, the Old Testament in the New Testament letters. Okay. And then it has your maps. They are colored maps. And it has prophecies of the Messiah. Oh, I love that. And the ministries of Jesus. It has that. The prophecies all lined out. Oh, I like this, how they have the book of Psalms divided up. So they have the book of Psalms divided up into praise, thanksgiving, trust, wisdom, royal, God is king, messianic, Zion, lament, and vindication. I love that. Then they have the kingdoms of Israel and the 12 tribes of Israel map. Israel's annual calendar. I love that. The plagues, it has a thing of the plagues in here. And the world of the patriarchs. So that's the visual overview of the Bible that starts there. And it does have, it has verse finder, and it's done in, this is just like my little prayer Bible. It has, like spiritual gifts, teaching, sex, and soul. And it's not, like what you would get from a concordance. But it gets you going, you know what I'm saying? So that's just verse finder. Huh. So there's not really like a dictionary or like a real in-depth coordinates in here. It's pretty much topical, but that's okay because I have other resources. So yeah, I've always wanted one that had the indexes on them. And so yeah, I look forward, I think probably the first thing, let's take a look at the bookmark. What does it come with? It comes with one lonely brown satin ribbon. Okay, so that'll be the first thing I probably do, is make a bunch of ribbons. I know you can buy them, and they come with little magnetic holders so that, you know, you can put them in the binding and they just clip. But I can make my own. I'll just measure my binding here, and I will cut a piece of cardboard, and I will tape the ribbons that I choose on there, and I might even put some charms on them like I did on my little prayer Bible. And then I'll cover it so that, you know, the doesn't come apart, and just slip it right in there. And I'll have, I don't know how many I'll do. We'll see how many I can fit on the piece of cardboard for that length. But that'll be one of the first things that I do. I don't want to, I'll probably be putting in some tippins and some vellum and some nice things in here as I go along. But what I don't want to do is transfer like what I have. Now I do have an art Bible. Let me get that. And this thing is huge. I didn't know it was going to be this huge, but it is gigantic. It is huge. So it's not like you can take it anywhere. Of course, I have the tabs. This is an imitation leather, which it's really not an imitation leather. You can feel that there's nothing imitation about that. It's just... Anyways, it's like a coloring Bible. So here's one of the pages, the first page that I did. I put a lot of like on here I had I did some watercolor on this page to kind of hide up the bleed through. And then I created this little piece of art here and just glued it on. And it says, she believed she could, so she did. And I just taped that on there. And all throughout this one, I have tippins of the Bible Project. Like here is the Torah, and it's like little comics of an overview of like the Old Testament, and then each one of the books. I also have it tippined in, like there's Genesis. And so I'm not going to do what in the new one, what I've done in here. Because I mean, I don't want it to duplicate. I'm still working in this. Here's a ripped page. That's why I don't care for the sometimes tabs like that. So what I do in this one, I'm reading chronologically, and this has wide margins that I can put notes and stuff in. And I mainly follow along the Bible chronologically, and I have prayers in here. I have notes chronologically in here. Finding Jesus in the Old Testament is in here. Like here is a study I did on the tamarisk tree. Don't ask me why I did that, and I typed it in. Just why would they mention this tree? What was the significance of mentioning this tamarisk tree? So I did a study on it and looked it up. So I have a little picture of what the tree looks like, and then I have stuff in here like lots of extra pages because I ran out of stuff room in the margins. So I have there's vellum pages in here, and I've done some freehand art, like I did the high priestess garments, you know, what everything represented the garments. I'm trying to, it's not in Genesis, so I think that would be Leviticus, but yeah. Oh, like here. So I just drew him in there, and put what all the things, the girdle, the bells, all that stuff, and what it signifies. And then after each chapter, I have what the Bible recap calls the God shot, and where you find, you know, Jesus, what you find, where you found God in the chapter. So that's what this Bible is for. Of course, it has lots of coloring pages that I do, and then it has lots of places for prayers that I put in. And so yeah, I enjoy doing this. But this one is like going to be different. So this is very specific to what I'm doing. I'm doing prayers, and I'm doing finding God in the Word in every chapter. And then I have my prayer Bible, which has just been highlighted for, doing prayers. So this one is going to be my everyday study Bible, okay? And even though it doesn't have study notes in it, it has does have the Filament app. And I do plan on there's another study Bible that I want to get to go alongside this, and it's called the Every Woman's Study Bible, that has a lot of really good stuff in it. So that's my that's my haul, and I'm so happy to have this. It smells so good, and it feels so buttery soft, and I just absolutely love it. It's brown. I would have liked to have had, a prettier one. A red or pink. But this is okay. I love this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much for coming and joining me. What I plan, I'll give you a little tidbit of what I'm going to do. So I found something. Oh, aren't those pretty? Expensive. Oh, this would be perfect for Star. These are little boxes of cards with pictures on them. Oh. They're only $4.99. Huh. Well, I'll have to look through this. Let me see if they have my... Oh, how cute. They have a lot of good ideas in here. Anyways, you guys know those little composition books, right? Those black marble composition books. Well, they are making them now in half size. So if you take the composition book and you cut it in half, it's almost the size of like a logbook or a gratitude book. Anyways, I thought it would be fun to get some of those, decorate them, and have them for special drawings, especially with the fall coming up, Thanksgiving, time of thankfulness and gratitude. I'd like to make several of those and be able to give them away. So I will bring you along when I get those supplies and be able to start doing that. They have Bible covers here. I don't think I want to cover this Bible. I think I will. Hey, I was supposed to get a ruler. Huh. Sticky notes, gift catalog, who I am, stickers of the spirit. Huh. I had ordered a ruler that had the books of the Bible on it. I mean, I just like to have a real thin, like, ruler in my Bible for when I draw lines and stuff. They didn't send that. Oh, well, I'll have to put it in for next time, I guess. It's not on the invoice, so I didn't pay for it. But I was going to look in here and see if I could find... If you guys haven't checked out that Every Woman's Bible, oh, you ought to check it out. And it's not... I've always steered away from women's Bible. I find them kind of condescending. I would rather have a man's study Bible where they get into the meat of, the word rather than a devotional type Not saying that devotional Bibles are bad, because they all have their place, right? But I could cut these out and use these for little stickers and stuff. But this woman's Bible is a Bible of substance. And so I was looking to see if they had showcased it in here. And see if I could show you a picture. But if it's not, you guys should look it up. It's called Every Woman's Bible. And I'm thinking about just getting the online version of it so I can just, you know, pull it up next to my Bible here. Oh, they have beautiful coffee cups. Ugh. Tomorrow I get my coffee. I've got lots and lots of tea. I got buku tea. But anyways, I plan on making those gratitude type books. I plan on saving this and using these pictures in here. I mean, you can cut them out and just put some glue and smack them right in your Bible. Here, NIV Bible gift set. Not it. They have Bible bags and stuff, you know. Very nice ones. I don't often get out. Oh, there it is, right there. There's my ruler. Huh. Okay. So they don't showcase it in this one. But now that I know that I didn't get that ruler, I will reorder it. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for allowing me to share. I'm so happy. I'm a little nervous about marking it up, but I'm going to dive right in and mark this puppy up. Yep. Pew! Anyways, thank you for coming by. Thank you for allowing me to share. And until next time, God bless. Bye-bye now.